I'm Dr. Lam Chia, Associate Professor at TEDI-London, Program Leader for Engineering with Artificial Intelligence. The course is forward-looking and is combining core principles in engineering like mechanics, electronics, system designs, and together with how to use AI tools and techniques in tackling real-world problems. It's not about creating AI tools from scratch, nor that it's becoming a computer scientist, so it's about engineering first and enhancing that with AI. The course is really important because, as we see, AI is growing in many different fields, from energy to manufacturing, from healthcare to transportations. In the course itself, students not only learn about how to use AI tools, but also how to be able to integrate them with engineering skills in tackling real-world problems. In year one, you will be studying much more fundamentals of engineering. For example, it could ranging from mechanics, electronics, sensors, control systems, smart technologies, and also learning about professional skills like leaderships. And in second year, you go into much more deeper into the fields like, for example, finite element analysis, in ecological designs, machine learning. You're going to learn about communication systems and how do cybersecurities affecting the world of communications. When we go into final year, we go deeper into a whole host of different applications in AI in particular. So we'll look at machine vision, we'll look at apply artificial intelligence into different areas, how to do digital transformations, and applying big data analytics. And last but not least, we'll look at apps developments into how to integrate different technologies and techniques into the applications itself. The course itself is quite practical, so you'll be learning through hands-on activities. You're going to learn through by collaborating with your peers and with other partners as well. And you're going to implement things that you learn from the self-directed learnings and applying them and verifying the theory. And obviously that's going to reinforce your overall learnings itself. So in these programs, we're looking at students are curious, you need to be creative, and you need to be open-minded. You don't need to be an AI expert, but you will need to be open to learning new technologies and applying them in a new and impactful ways. There are going to be a broad range of opportunities for our graduates. Students can actually go into working as a data engineers, machine learning engineers, or even as a data scientist. You can also further your educations into a postgraduate degrees. I believe that the course is really valuable. Not only that you're going to learn the traditional engineering skills, but also a wide varieties of AI tools and techniques and emerging technologies, and that's going to equip you with the right set of skills in future-proofing your career pathways. If you're liking the ideas of engineering a better world and like using AI as a tool to help you achieve that, I think this is the course for you. Applications are now open. I look forward to seeing you at the open day.